I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do to get some clarification for our plan submission process on our website. First thing you want to do is open a browser. Unfortunately, if you are submitting plans, Safari is not compatible with our submission process right now, so you will have to use Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, something else in order to upload the documents, the PDFs that you'll need to attach. You want to first go to our website, which is sfm.nebraska, all spelled out, .gov. This opens up our homepage. So jurisdiction-wise, one of the things we have is delegated authorities. Everyone usually is not 100% sure as to if it needs to go to a delegated authority or not. So what I recommend is going to our agency info tab, going to our agency contact information, and opening up this, scroll down to where it says delegated authority cities, hit contact information, download this, print this, save it, whatever you have to do. But this is the contact information of all of our delegated authorities that will handle their own reviews in those cities. Now let's go back to the main page and I'll show you how to go ahead and submit online electronically. So from the home page, you want to open up our plans box. You just got to scroll down a little bit, click on it, and it opens up. There's numerous bullets here. The one we want is called electronic plan submission. Select that. It opens what's called our Unity form. Here you will choose as to whether you're an existing customer or if you are a new customer. If you are an existing customer, it will give you the option to have your information auto-populated from a drop-down menu on each box that you select, or most of the boxes at least. If you are a new customer, you're going to have to enter all the information the first time. I'll give you an example using an existing customer. So let's say, for instance, you've done this before, so you've already submitted. This will appear. You will choose whichever one is suited for you. The reason there may be multiple is because multiple people will often submit from the same company. So select yours. Make sure that the information that auto-populates is there. Otherwise, you can go through and scroll from the list of the ones that you need and select the one you want. So then you continue filling out the information. Everything with an asterisk is required. If you have questions, you can always call my office and I will help you out with it. When you get to the bottom of this and it says to attach your construction documents, again, Safari will not allow you to attach the PDFs. You have to use a different browser. So here you can attach as many PDFs as you need. There is a 30 MB limit to the attachment, so you may have to break them down. If that's not something that you are comfortable doing, you can definitely give me a call, or you can email your documents to me at Monica, MONICA .Ellis, ELLIS, at Nebraska, all spelled out, .gov, and I can get them uploaded for you. Once you're completed these, you select I'm not a robot. It goes through the process, and then you hit submit. Then it comes over to me. It sends you an email letting you know that your plans have been submitted. They will be verified. If you did not pay before you started this application process, that's fine. I will send you an invoice once I receive your plan. From that invoice, you can click to open our pay portal, which is available on our website as well, and you can make your payment there. If you need to, you can send in hard copies to our office, our Lincoln office, along with a check or money order. That's not a problem either. It just takes a little bit longer. We do recommend using the electronic submission though. If you have any questions, again, feel free to contact me. It's Monica Ellis. Phone number is 402-471-9465. Email is monica.ellis@nebraska.gov. Thank you.